this is a good question. So should the hand stay in the C position when sleeping or straight? It depends. If I always shoot for straight. Now, pain and, I said this earlier, but pain and spasticity are not friends. So if keeping your hand straight is causing pain, then yeah, most likely your hand will just tighten up more in the morning. But, you know, this is what they call a functional position. That's why the resting hand splints are set in that position. They want that thumb opposition, but this muscle is very spastic on a lot of people. So this muscle that kind of pulls that thumb in. So that's why usually when you can relax that muscle, your fingers tend to relax a little bit more. That's why I like the thumb abducted out to the side and the hand open. Plus, those splints where your hand stays like that, a lot of times people's fingers don't stay straight in them. So that's the other problem that I have with them is their fingers pop out from under the straps.
If you liked that video and you want to learn more exercises on how to improve your walking, definitely check out this video over here or that video over there. If you want even more help, check out our Gold membership program where you will get access to over 300 exercises that are not here on YouTube, as well as access to our monthly lives where you can get your questions answered.